So a couple of debuts here right now in the start of inning number 2. Alex Mauricio, his first live AB of the season. We've seen him in the Derby, but not much else. And Pat Venditte, MLB pedigree, an Omaha legend, a Creighton All-American, a switch pitcher. Here we go. Venditte sets for his first pitch in Cosmic Baseball. From the right side, a cut and a miss. All right, is he going to go left here? The rule states, for those that don't know, the Venditte rule in the MLB states that he cannot switch. As Alex Mauricio, deep drive left field. Welcome to Cosmic Baseball. His first at-bat of the season. Alex Mauricio runs the wrong way, but it does not matter. And he silences the crowd who was cheering for Pat Venditte all along. Mauricio gives the Peps a 1-0 lead in the second. That was potentially the moment of the season, right there. I asked it a couple of weeks ago when Raj got on third base. How can you not be romantic about Cosmic Baseball? Alex Mauricio, an absolute tank. Oh my goodness, what a swing by Mauricio.